Hi, my name's John Olson. I'm founder, owner, and operator of Rootd Modular Homes. So we're here today in Ellenville on a client site. The owners lived here for quite a while, and they started with the important stuff. Infrastructure-wise, we're standing on a very large septic field. The owner has an interest in redeveloping the property to create housing. They have approval for 10 to 12 units of a certain square feet. So a lot of the hurdles have been crossed already. The owner and I started talking about what it would take to take this project to the next step. So a feasibility study, in a nutshell, is a way of understanding your existing conditions and what you have to work with. A lot of times things crop up later in a project when the cost of change is higher, like in construction, and people incur significant cost and schedule impact when the issues could have been avoided entirely. Spend some time on your property and generate a 3D replica of the site. And that becomes a foundation for an architect and a builder to further develop into a set of plans you can use for permitting. So modular is obviously in the name of the company, and I've chosen modular as a tool because if it's done right, you can build housing faster, cheaper, and at the same level of quality or higher as stick-built construction. I'm a project manager. I've worn many hats over the years. I have a background in architecture and a master's in engineering management. I got involved with the Kingston Housing Task Force around the time the form-based code was on the table and was subsequently passed. So I really learned a lot about the needs of homeowners in the local area and some of the challenges they face. So this is a 3D scanner. It works using photogrammetry. So the equipment's now spinning and sending out millions of waves of light and measuring the distance it takes for each one to come back. And what you end up with is a point cloud made up of billions of points that an architect and builder can use to design and construct a project. The Kale DC loan was really great in that I didn't have like years of balance sheets to share. I had some startup money, but like most people trying to figure this stuff out, I have a family and a home in Kingston and bills. So what was really great about the loan is it gave me the startup cash that I need to buy my equipment and hit the ground running with my business.